So one of the things that I've heard most consistently that's most popular about our channel here are some of the differences between what VIP teaches and what people like Dave Ramsey teach when it comes to managing your personal finances, managing your business money, etc. And one of the areas that we differ is in how it's best to go about doing this. It's my opinion that sacrificing and ratcheting back on all of the things that we love is very much a temporary solution. It's extremely difficult to remain consistent if you're giving up a lot of the perks of life, giving up all of those creature comforts. And here's a great example sitting here before me. We've got a Starbucks coffee from downstairs. This is a caramel macchiato, 26 ounce venti. Now, I don't know why venti means 26 ounces, given that I think it literally means 20. And then we've got an actual caramel macchiato product that's sold in the exact same location. Both of these came with two completely identical receipts, right? Both from King Soopers, which is a local grocery store here in Denver, and we happen to live right above it. Okay, so this is where we shop. Now there is a Starbucks in that grocery store. It'd be very easy for me to get my delicious caramel macchiato from Starbucks, or I can walk two aisles further and get this 40 ounce. Now the 40 ounce cost me today a total of $4.79 with my King Soopers membership card, and my caramel macchiato, which is only 27 or 26 ounces, which, by the way, there's a lot of ice consuming the space in here. So realistically, I'm probably actually only getting 20 ounces or less. Cost me $5.67. This is an example of plugging leaks inside of your budget, inside of your cash flow cruncher. When you're wanting to maximize cash flow, let's look for ways that we can preserve lifestyle and get the same thing that we would have otherwise gotten for less, or even get more for the same. And that's been something I've always tried to exercise since becoming hyper conscious about my money, is maximizing lifestyle design without overspending for it. It's seldom that we're gonna go out to the movies and spend $12.50 a ticket when we can easily just rent whatever movie we want through a streaming device like Amazon now for $4. You know, I mean, $12.50 per ticket for two of us is gonna cost $25. You go in there and spend another $6 on popcorn. Now all of a sudden you're well above $30 without even buying anything to drink, without buying any candy. Why not spend $4 on a movie through Amazon, stream it on our own television? We can get popcorn from downstairs, we can get sodas, we can get candy, anything for just a couple dollars. And so again, same exact lifestyle, but spending substantially less for it. I would encourage everybody to look for ways where they can maximize their financial objectives and accelerate getting themselves there without cutting back, without sacrificing, without giving up all the things we love. So that's what you're gonna find here on this channel. Make sure you become a subscriber if you're not already. Make sure you drop a like if you want me to continue to give you more examples of how you could plug leaks inside your own spending plan. And until we see you on the next video, make it a great day and take care.